𝚃𝐴 completed his mechanical engineering in 2016, but he want to make career in IT field, so he joined STAD Solution for software testing and got placed at 𝚂𝐾 Software Private Limited as software tester. Let's hear from him.
Hello everyone, myself 𝚃𝐴 𝐒𝐲. I have done BTech in my mechanical engineering in 2016, but I want to grow my career in IT industries. So with my friend's suggestion, I started manual and automation testing course with STAD Solution, in which I have learned different type of STLC, SDLC, basic of software testing, then different types of software testing, and also perform various kind of testing on the established applications as well. With the knowledge from the STAD Solution, I have cracked an interview at 𝚂𝐾 Softwares, where I get a good offer as a fresher. I want to thank all the faculties and STAD Solution for their support and knowledge throughout the course.